Right, we are going to see how we can actually create tables in Microsoft Word. First of all, we are going to open Word, and then we type in, we draw our tables in the three ways that we can have tables drawn in MS Word. So you go to the Start button, tap on Word. After tapping on Word, Word opens. It takes some times. When it opens like that, you tap on a blank document and the blank document opens. When it opens, go to the Insert tab, tap on Table, and then as you move over the boxes, you see a table is being created. So let's assume I want to create a table of 3 columns and 5 rows. I'll move 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3. Then I also move down 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I'm satisfied, I tap on the left button and the table is created. That is one way. Another way is by going to the Insert tab, going to Tables and tapping on Insert. When I tap on Insert, I choose the number of columns that I want, that is 3, and the number of rows that I want, that is 5. I have also other options like Auto Fit Window, Auto Fit Window, then Auto Fit Content. I can choose on them and then I tap OK. After that, the third and the last way is by going to the draw table. We also have another way of converting text to table, but I will talk about that in the next video. So I tap on draw table and then a pencil comes. When the pencil comes, I start drawing my table. Now, drawing table is one of the ways that can help us draw more complex tables than just tables that have columns and rows, which are the same. But if at all you want to create tables that do not have uniform number of columns and rows, drawing table is your way out. Like for example, here I'm going to draw a more complex table than the ones that I've created above. When I need such tables, that are more complex in design than the previous, I can actually create them using the draw table. Yes, so here I can create anything that I want for my table. Those are the 3 ways how we can create tables in Microsoft Word.